Video is about custom-made unique embroidery blazer which turn out to be its own art piece. Transforming drawing from canvas to upon linen fabric, then stitching blazer out of it was a remarkable journey. I wanted to have a very special, artistic and outstanding outfit which I can wear during my exhibition. Surrounded by my artworks, I wanted to be attached with them. That's when I got an idea of getting my favorite drawing embodied on the blazer. The issue was no one has ever tried or I couldn't find any example on internet of such project. After discussions with my master tailor, I started to understand sewing challenges and how to overcome it step by step. But first, I had to turn my drawing into embroidery, which became possible because of Embroidery Notion India. I am very thankful for their time and effort to make this project a reality. After sharing my vision of the final look of the blazer, they pretty soon got the idea and we decided to make a trial run on soft fabric. I soon realized how much bigger scale and challenging this job was. It was only possible on an industrial sewing machine with that much size bracket to hold the fabric. There were 3,49,000 stitches in design, and with 820 stitches in a minute, it was going to take 3 working days to complete this job. I had selected golden thread, which was very shiny, and black thread, which had deep matte black color. The combination of these two threads, it had achieved the impression of my drawing. An issue we had while embroidery was there were so many overlapping threads that the thread was not strong enough to go through. Therefore, it always needed an assistant to put the thread back in the needle and start the machine. And it happened very frequently as it come to completion. From the start, I knew it was impossible to get my pen and ink rendering style on fabric, but I liked the way it was coming out. Looking at it, we can clearly feel the time and effort which was put into. With 3,49,000 stitches, I wonder how many dots my drawing held. The way golden thread was shining and how much deep matte black color had been achieved in this medium was surprising. I am very astonished to watch my drawing come to life. It took me nearly a week to complete this drawing and now it is imitated by machine at much faster scale. I am very excited as only few hundred stitches were remaining. And finally, the sewing machine has stopped. Now it is time to remove the fabric from the bracket and cut and clean the excess thread. It is turning out to be better than my expectation and I am overwhelmed with the result. Now it was time to go ahead with the blazer. The blazer design I had finalized was very simple as I wanted the embroidery to be the main focus. Simple as Chinese collar, single button, checks pocket and roll-up sleeves. I got pure linen fabric from Linen Club. I chose this one because of its earthy grey color, canvas texture. I had got half-stitch blazer with only torso part, with no sleeves and collar attached at this point. The tailor had marked the area in which I can do the embroidery. First, I had mapped out the area, scaled it and printed the drawing at its actual size. It had allowed me to place the drawing exactly where I wanted it to be. We had no issue with the linen fabric during embroidery. The support material and canvas backing were going to be suited after the completion of embroidery. Finally, my favorite drawing was embodied on this linen fabric and was looking great. With linen earthy grey color, shiny golden and matte black thread had brought dimension to the blazer. I am extremely proud of the final looks of the blazer and I am guarantee this is going to bring glamour to the inauguration ceremony. And for sure, I am not going to stop here as I've got lot of ideas for outfits. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to give us a like, do comment and subscribe to my channel.